One claims to be extreme in everything. Is there a difference, guys? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got another comparison video, the battle of the mascaras. So I'm going to be comparing the new ABH Lash Brag with the Benefits They Are Real Mascara. This is the new ABH Lash Brag Mascara. I'm going to be comparing it with the Benefits They Are Real Mascara. So I've already got a review on the ABH Mascara. I'll put the link down below if you want to check out that review. And I'm going to compare it with Benefits They Are Real. I've got a travel size of this. I've got a mini one. I'm going to compare both to see in terms of the volume, the length, if it clumps up, flakes, you know, things like that. So stay tuned. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mascara. To the website, it says it's an extreme volume mascara. And it gives the dramatic volume and fullness. It's jet black in color. It's beautiful, the volume and the length. This retails for £26. It's black in color. This Benefits They Are Real Mascara. To the website is lengthening, volumizing, coiling, bigger lashes, adds impressive volume, drama, lift to the lash. They both claim volumizing, they both claim lengthening. It's got three colors actually. It's got black, brown, and blue. Full size one is £22.50, it's 8.5G, and this size is 4G and it's £12. Without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into the application because that's what will tell if they're both volumizing, lengthening, whatever they claim to be. I'll start your hair and I'll use Benefit on this side. I'm starting on this side with the ABH Lash Brag Mascara. I'm doing it on the bottom side as well. This is one coat of the ABH on the Benefit side. My eyes are tearing, so I'm just using a cotton bud to just take out the tears from it before it falls. This is one coat done. What do you think? Is there any difference? I'm gonna go ahead and do the second coat now. The ABH side seems to be giving volume. So I'm going to do the second coat on this side. So there's two coats, this one coat. I'm going to do the second coat on the Benefit side. It's two coats of both. The second coat done on both sides. Quickly do the third coat. So this is the third coat of the ABH done. I'm just going to put the third coat of the Benefit. So this is both sides done, three coats done on both sides. Is there a difference, guys? What do you think? Okay, so I applied the ABH hair and Benefits hair. So in terms of the packaging, it looks really nice. The ABH one looks really nice. The Benefit one is the usual, but I prefer the ABH in terms of the packaging. For the price, the Benefit one is £22.50 for 8.5ml, and the ABH one, I think, is 10ml for £26. This is how the applicator looks like. So this is what the Anastasia Beverly Hills applicator looks like. So this is the Benefit applicator, side by side. On application, the Benefit one was just targeting individual lashes, while the ABH one was doing individual, but it was clumping up a bit, was getting more product in but clumping up a bit. I prefer the Benefit wand, but they're both good mascaras. They both look really nice, but I think I like the Benefit one because it's giving the individual lash more length. So the Benefit one definitely has more length than the ABH one. They both brought out the length. If you're looking for more volume, I think the ABH one will give you more volume. Benefit one is more targeted on a length. It says length and curl. Yeah, so that's what it's known for length and for curl. But it says it adds volume as well in the Benefit one. It lifts, gives length and curls. And the ABH one says it's extreme volume, extreme length. You know, it's actually a volumizing mascara, the ABH one, while the Benefit one is more of a lengthening one. But the ABH one claims to be extreme in everything. In terms of length, it doesn't give extreme because the Benefit one is better, I think. But it's really subtle, the difference. If I'm to choose one, I would go more to the Benefit side. But they are both good mascaras. In terms of packaging, the ABH one will win for packaging because it's so cute. Price, I don't really know because this is £26, this is £22.50. This wins for the price for full size. But this has got more product in it than this. For the range, Benefit wins because it's got 3 shades. It's got brown, black and blue, while this has got just black. So in terms of length, this wins for length. This gives more length. In terms of volume, this gives more volume. In terms of buildability, if it clumps up, this potentially clump up more than this. This potentially might look spidery because if you apply a lot, it's potentially gonna look spidery. But who wins the battle for me is this. So the Benefit They Are Real wins this battle of the mascara. So this is just my opinion, my honest opinion. You know, do what you want. This is just my view. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Comment down below, what do you think? Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it. If you're new, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you see more videos as they come. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.